Welcome to Joni's Doll Photography. Today I'm joining Marna at Dolls Rescued and Dorie at Dorie's Dollies, who host the Amaya Raine Day. Amaya Raine Day occurs on the 3rd of each month in the doll community on YouTube. Marna and Dorie provide a new theme each month. This month's theme was yellow. My Amaya Raine is wearing a yellow dress with the X and dot pattern of Felix the Cat. I have my Felix the Cats here, here, and here. And Felix's bag of magic tricks, and even a coin bank shaped like Felix's bag with a little Felix on the front. Amaya plays on a yellow show and hut piano for her little friend, who is also wearing yellow and orange. And I thought Felix and his yellow colors would be a good match for this month's theme. It's fun to participate in the Amaya Raine Day challenges, and there are a bunch of channels who do participate. Thanks for watching.